Hi everyone, this is Vidushi. Welcome back. So today's video is going to be a Miniso haul. Yes guys, I know that we all love Miniso क्योंकि वहाँ पे इतनी छोटी छोटी और क्यूट और काफ़ी रीजनेबल चीज़ें मिलती हैं and across categories. I mean, you get stationery, you get personal care products, makeup and home care products and I don't know what not. एंड ऑल्सो मुझे पता चला है कि मिनिसो हैज़ रिसेंटली ओपनड हियर इन वापी क्योंकि लॉकडाउन चल रहा है. आई हैव बीन हियर सिंस आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी डेज नाउ. तो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट गो टू मिनिसो एंड विजिट द स्टोर एंड सी कि वापी का मिनिसो कैसा दिखता है. या सो यू गाइज कम विथ मी एंड वील बाय सम रियली क्यूट स्टफ. Also here there's one challenge and that is कि मैं सिर्फ वही products खरीदने वाली हूँ जो either 250 rupees के हैं या फिर उससे कम के हैं. So let's go guys. And also one more thing I would wanna clarify that a lot of you must think that Miniso is a Japanese brand, but it's actually not a Japanese brand guys. It is a Chinese brand which is inspired by Japan and Japanese products. So although उसके bags पे and कभी-कभी उसके logo के नीचे Miniso Japan लिखा होता है and we think that it's a Japanese brand, no it's not. It's a Chinese company. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go to Miniso. Here is their collection of body deos and body mists and everything, and they have makeup here as well, although I'm not sure about the makeup, so I'm not gonna really buy the makeup stuff, but we can always have a look at the nail paint because they have some really interesting colors here. So let's see. Okay, so now I think this one looks nice and it is for about 90 bucks, which definitely comes under 250, so I'm gonna buy this. And now we're gonna go to the most interesting section, which is this. I just love the stuff toys. I really like this. It's actually a headrest which you could put around your car seat. And it's so cute. It's so cute. I just love the color. And I really want to buy this. Let's see इसका cost कितना है. Oh, it is exactly 250 bucks. Focus नहीं आ रहा है, but it is exactly 250 bucks and I think I'm really gonna buy this. I love it. So this here goes in. Okay, so now here we have some travel pouches. As you can see, I really like this color. And let's see how much it costs. So this pouch here guys is just for 190 bucks and it is definitely going inside my cart. And then of course we have the mask here, which I think I'm definitely going to buy because आजकल जितनी भी masks हो हमारे पास वो कम ही है. So I'm going to buy this one and it is just for 90 bucks, so not bad. So here we have some storage bags, which is just like a normal storage bag without any chain or anything. And I like the print and color and everything, but it's actually for 200 bucks, which I don't think is worth for this. So I'm gonna give it a pass. These are the cotton pads that Miniso has and I am a huge fan of these cotton pads because 250 bucks, which is not bad because you're getting 225 cotton pads. So this is a really good buy and I've used these before and they're a bit thin, but it does the work and I really like them. So I'm definitely gonna buy this. So they also have a decent collection of scented candles, and I think I'm gonna buy this one. This is Apple Sake and I like scented candles, so this is for $190 and I think I can take the risk. So I'm definitely gonna buy this one. Alright guys, so now we're on the first floor of Miniso, and here we have all the stuff related to personal care, cosmetics, home care, home products, stuffed toys and a lot of other things. So we have a hairband here which I find really cute, so I'm gonna buy this. So this is for $150 which comes under our budget, so I'm definitely buying this. And here we have my favorite section, which is the stationery. मुझे ये नहीं समझ आ रहा इतना मार्वल कलेक्शन क्यों है यार यहाँ पे. That is the only problem. And then here we have some really cute stuff. Like I really like these scissors. It's so cute. See, it's like a carrot and it has a stand as well. How much is this one for? 200, not bad. Guys, this is for $200 and it's really cute. I think I'm gonna buy this one. So the other thing that I really wanted to try of Miniso were these oil absorbent sheets. I haven't really used them before. Since I have an oily skin, I thought that I should try these because supposedly they're supposed to absorb the oil from your face, and yeah, this is just for $200. So I'm buying it and I'm trying this. They have mugs and they have lunch boxes and a lot of other home stuff, and these cute little bottles. Although I think ये bottle बहुत छोटी है यार, मतलब ये एक sip में मेरा पूरा पानी ख़त्म हो जाएगा. So it doesn't make sense for me, but yeah, they're really really cute. Even this one is really, oh, this is so cool. This is really nice. It's for $360, so we can't buy this, but it's really nice. Alright, so हमारी Miniso की शॉपिंग हो चुकी है and we have like lot of stuff here as you guys can see, और ये सारा सामान 250 के नीचे है. I mean not in total, but each product is below 250, and we have about how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So हमने इन टोटल खरीदे 9 प्रोडक्ट्स जो 250 रुपीज के थे या उससे नीचे के थे, एंड नॉट बैड गाइज, लाइक नाइस शॉपिंग एंड काफी क्यूट सामान मिल गया हमें. सो येस गाइज, दिस वाज द Miniso haul. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, you know what you have to do. Like, share, and also please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back next week with another video. Till then, you guys take care and bye.